Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we are going to walk through the basics of preparing a study map using ArcGIS software. Whether you are working on a research project, a school assignment, or simply exploring the capabilities of ArcGIS, this video will give you a solid foundation in mapping your study area effectively. We will cover the essential steps, demonstrate how to select and refine your sampling area, and share tips for visualizing your data accurately. Keep in mind that this tutorial is focused on learning and demonstration, so always follow official ArcGIS guideline and relevant research article when you are ready to finalize and publish your map. Let's get started and dive into the process of creating a clear, professional looking study area map. This is our data file. Here you can see we have 5 district. We have 6 district data in here. Today we are going to prepare a map with ArcGIS software by this data. So we will transfer this data to an Excel file. Here you can see the two files. This is the shape file which I have downloaded from the website DivaGIS. Here you can see this is the website. From here you can see this is the website. From here I have downloaded the shape file. This is the shape file. This is the country border with administrative area of Bangladesh, and I have also downloaded the shape file of world and countries border. So we open the Excel file, this one, and if we open in here you can see this is the country border, this is the divisional border, this is the district border, and this is also the sub-district border. So today we are going to prepare the map of some district. If I open this file, from here you can see that different districts and different divisions and also different here you can see the different divisions and different districts are present. So we will copy the name of all districts, then we transfer to our data Excel file. We paste in the first row. Here we rename select all the name of the district and sort according to A to Z. Okay. Now we put 0, that's mean the value 0 for every district. From our data file, here you can see that Khulna district has 44 sample, Rangpur 58 sample, Barishal 42 samples. From here we will manually input the data. So if we find the Khulna in here. In Khulna we have 44 samples. This is the name of the district, and here the number of samples. In every district the 0 and the district have the certain sample number. So we can write here sample number. Okay, we have to write at the first column and first row the name, and then the second column first row the value or other things. Then we will save it, and we also convert this file to CSV file. That is why we go to save as, here go to save as, here project 1, then save type. In here you can see the CSV, many CSV file, but we will choose CSV comma delimited. But here you can see many CSV file, but we will choose CSV comma delimited. So now if we see that this file is still saved as comma delimited shape, comma separated, but we rename this file. That is why it will be easy to connect this file to ArcGIS map. Okay, our file preparation is complete. Now we will open the ArcGIS software. New one. So here cancel. Then from here we will create layout view. Okay, this is the new layer. This is the layer 1, and we insert. We will go to data frame, and from the data frame we insert new data frame. This is the new data frame. Before starting, we should consider that we have to set our page according to desired. Here you can see the default page setup, which is A4 in size, and here all the measurement is for A4. That is why we will not change the page setup. So this is the new data frame. Here you can see. So in this data frame we will select, then add data, go to add data, and we will connect our data file. That is why we will go to connect. Okay, this is the CSV file of our data. So now at first we will go to add data, add, and from our connected file this is the country border, divisional border, district border, and sub-district border. From text border, we will add the shapefile. Map of a country which is divided into according to different districts. Here you can see the map of Bangladesh that contain the 64 districts, and all the districts are separated by a line. So if we scroll our mouse to the forward position, that will go zoom out, and if we scroll the mouse button, then this will be zoom in. Okay, here you can see. So if we select, then go to properties, from properties, label feature, name to, that's mean the name of the district. Here the Arial, if we select into 10, and then bold, apply. Okay, here you can see the name of the different districts of Bangladesh. So we will choose the certain district like Dhaka, Borishal, Khulna, or other districts. Then we will add new data frame for several districts. We copy this data frame, we will use this one and then multiply. So in this data frame, again, here you can see, if I select this one, here this will be the black. If we select this layer, new data frame or layer, here it will be black. Then after selecting this, we will go again to data, then connect. Here we will choose the Rangpur division. So from here, if we choose properties, label, go to label, data frame, mold, apply. Okay, so if we zoom this map within this data frame, so we will go in here, then click again. So it will be very high, which will be out of our range. So if we want to reduce manually, then go to in here. If we increase the volume, then the map will be decreased. So in here, if we put, then enter, so a little bit of decreased, and then it is fit within this frame. Okay. And then we will choose the select features from here. Select by rectangle, then we select this area. From after selection, then go to here, then right click, selection. From selection, create layer frame from the selected feature. Here you can see the selected feature layer will be created from the selected feature. So we select this one and go to properties, and from properties label name 2. From here, okay, so this is the wrong code. And we copy, we select this and then click right button and copy and select this one, and then paste. So if we see this will appear right like in here. We don't need to name in here, so okay, if we select, we can see this one. So again we will add the data of the sample number. So from here, the data, this is the CSV file, this is our sample number 5. Select. Okay, now we combine the attributes with this one. So select this and click right, join relates, join. Here you can see that this is the name and this name. Join attributes from the table data, then we will join the data according to the district, name of the district. That is why we will select here, and that is why we select name 2. Then this is the district, then we check 65 match with 65. That sounds good. Then okay, and then we will select again, go to properties, and from properties we will go to symbology, then from here quartiles, dot density, quantities, from quantities dot density, then sample number. If you see, if you remember our Excel file, if you see the Excel file, this is the sample number, and in here you can see this is the sample number. We will add this one. Then here you can see this is the shape size. If we click in here, so this will be customized. We will select rectangular, and then the color will be the red. this one will be the 14. Then okay, then dot value, we want to show that if our sample is 42, the 42 sample will be appear when we will add dot value 1. If we add 2, the sample will be twice. The sample, the legends will, the symbol will show twice the sample. If we add 2 in here, then the symbol will show twice of our exact sample. Then from background we select no color, then fill, we select no color, then apply, then okay. Here you can see this one, here you can see that this one is selected in here. If we select and right click in outside, then all selection will go out. Then here you can see, but we will show this one and this one. Here we have to show tick marks. So this is our data frame for this is our data frame for Rangpur. Then if we choose Dhaka and other districts, so we can copy this, select, copy and paste. In here again, paste in here. We drag all the data shape file to arrange in a uniform way. So again paste, paste, and we drag the file to arrange. Copy, paste, from here. Now we change all the shape according to our data in different district. That is why if we select this one from here, we can see this one is the black. That is why this data frame is for this map. In this case, we remove this one. Then we select this from here. Select tools, copy from here, selection, create layer for the selected features. The layer will be created. Here, this one is the layer. You can choose a different color like this. To remove this selection, we will click outside, then go, then we select this where the data value is presented, where the dot is connected with the shape. Copy and then paste. So we remove this one, select, remove. By the way, if we see from here, now this one is the for Dhaka. So in this way we will change all the shapes. In this way we will change all the data frame according to our sample number. In this way we will change all the data frame according to our sample number and the sample district. Okay, now you can see in here, this is the map of Bangladesh and this is the different study area. We input all the scale bar in different study area and also in the Bangladesh and world map. Okay, so now we can remove this layer border. If we remove this layer border, then scale line may be deleted. So before adding the scale, we should remove this layer border. So again we add the scale border. Then copy and paste. Then we paste it to the all study area. Now we will add the number. Now we input the different. Now we denote the different study area and also the Bangladesh and the world map. For this we insert text. From text, in here you can see that very little font. If we put A and then right click outside, insert text, properties, then change symbol. We make the font 18 bold, then OK, apply. OK, this is the A, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That's mean copy and paste. Then this is the A, this is the B, this will be C, we lettering all the study area. We are lettering all the study area. And then by selecting the letter, if we press double click, by selecting the letter, if we press left button of the mouse double, if we double press the left button of the mouse, then the properties of the letter will appear. Again, if we select the letter, then double press the left button of the mouse, then properties will appear. Okay, then we add the legend. So before add the legend, we insert the name of the country, we insert text and write, and then double click in here, and just we increase the font, then bold, and also change the color. We write here in white, apply. Okay, so this is Bangladesh. And then if we write in here, study area, so we change the color, green, increase the font 16. Okay, apply, then okay, this is the study area. Then we will add the legend of all this study area, study district. Then we will add the legend all of these study districts. For this we will go insert and then legend. Before go to legend, we select specific data frame, then we will go insert then legend, and from legend we just select admin selection, because this data, this shape file, because this shape file is jointly attributed to the number of samples of different district, so only this. Then next, and then legend color, we here choose this color 14, then next, then next, finish. Here insert legend, and we don't select this, we select this VD admin 2, and then next, choose the color, while then next, finish. So here you can see the legend. If we click in here, here you can see the layout, different layout. So this one, okay, but we customize this according to our preference. That is why if we click here, then right button of the mouse, here we can see that there is no group or ungroup properties. So before showing group and ungroup properties, we will convert it, before showing group and ungroup properties, we convert it to graphics. If we click here, okay, and then right now if we click right button of the mouse, here again we can see that the ungroup. After ungrouping, here we can see in here this is also group. We will ungroup. After ungrouping, we select the sample number, then right click, double press right button of the mouse, then here the sample number. We change the sample number to sample count, and we will increase the font to 12 and change the color to dark, more darker, then okay, then apply, then okay. This is the sample count. Make it bold, then apply, okay. Then we put it to indifferent place, and then we increase the size of this symbol by dragging. We can also change the size by changing its properties or areas, but right now we just drag and increase the size. And then we select the sample count, we press the control and then select both sample count and the shape, and then right button of the mouse and make group. Then copy this and paste, then copy paste. In this way we input all the area of the study area. In here a little bit of problem, that is why we again ungroup this and change the properties. In here we press enter, then it will in 2 row, then apply, then okay, then again group, and place it in our desired location. Okay, almost our figure is ready. We increase this font to 16 to 22, apply, okay. So next we can write a figure title in here. So that is why we input the text. From the text here we can write sample distribution in the study area. And then change the assembly area. We make it to 24 bold and the color will be right this. Okay, and then apply. Okay, we can also increase the font. Apply. Okay, so right now our map is ready to export. Before export, just one thing we need to check from here. If you see 1 dot equal to 1, then 1 dot in here the value is changed. That is why you have to in here, and you can see the value change. That is why you have to edit again. Go to properties, symbology, and then in here 1, and then apply, and then okay. Again properties, go to symbology, density, and in here 1, in here apply. Okay, in this way we will check and change all the data frame. In this way we will check and change all the data frame. So now our map is almost ready to export. So before export we will check all the things and then go to file, then export map. Study map of certain study map project study map project 1. Okay, you choose JPG format. You can choose different format in here, but I prefer JPG format and resolution 300 dpi, and then save. Okay, now we save our project. Thank you for watching this tutorial on preparing a study area map using ArcGIS software. I hope you found the demonstration useful and that it helped you to understand the basic process of mapping of your study area. Keep in mind that this video is just for learning process, and the sample distribution shown here was based on a narrow area for demonstration. When working on your own project, you can select different shape files to refine your sampling areas as needed. However, remember, this is not an all-encompassing guide. It's crucial to follow the official guidelines provided by ArcGIS software and refer to relevant research articles before finalizing or publishing your study. Accuracy is key in research, so you should always be more cautious and precise while preparing your maps. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on research tools and techniques. Thanks again and see you in the next video.